Okay, so welcome. We're looking at present simple and past simple. Pay attention to the language. For both present simple and past simple, we just use a subject and a verb. But, you know, in the past, we need to use the verb in the past simple. Now, the thing with present simple is it's got a lot that you need to learn. You need to learn that I, you, we, and they eat chips. But for the third person, he, she, or it eats chips. And this is the important third person verb that we need. Don't forget it. When we make it negative, we just add this little verb. It's called an auxiliary verb. I don't eat chips for I, you, we, and they. And he doesn't eat chips. Notice that as soon as we add the auxiliary verb do or don't, the main verb stays basic. In the English language, we call this infinitive. It's the infinitive, most basic form of the verb. Now, present simple also has the verb to be, subject and a verb, but this time the verb to be. I am a girl, you are a girl, she is a girl. We need to remember that the verb to be has three verbs in the present, and when you make it negative, you just add the word not. So it's a little bit simpler. It's the most simple form of present simple. Now over here we have past simple. Past simple talks about things we did in the past. You did really, really well with this. In the past simple, we have two types of verbs. We have regular verbs, where you just add the D or ED or IED, depending on what the word is. Or sometimes they're irregular, and you need to learn these. There are about 100 irregular verbs in the English language, and you need to learn them all. So you can learn the present simple and the past simple of these for now. There's 3 columns altogether. There's the third column, but we won't look at that today, okay? As a regular verb, I watched a movie. As an irregular verb, I wrote an essay. Now, in the negative, we have to add the auxiliary verb do, but in the past, I didn't watch a movie. I didn't write an essay. And just like over here, when you use the auxiliary verb do or don't, or does or doesn't, the main verb is present simple infinitive. It's exactly the same in the past. This is the past verb, but the main verb is always infinitive. So be careful and watch that. And that is present simple and past simple.